Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing origami dinosaur model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this dino model, we'll need a square piece of paper. Can be of any color, any size. So let's begin. First, you need to fold along the diagonal axis from this corner to this corner. So let's fold it. I already have a crease over here, so it's easy to fold. Open it back. Now you need to fold from this to this point, form another crease on this diagonal. Like this. Open it back, you get an X. Now rotate your paper. Now we fold along the horizontal axis from this point to this point. Open it back, and now along the vertical axis, forming a plus. Now you just need to fold it along the plus creases like this. All you need to do is just bend it like this. Oops, not like this, sorry. Along like this, yeah. So it forms a square shape structure like this. So this is an open end, this is a closed end, and these are two flaps on this side, two flaps on this side. So here we fold it like this. We fold one flap like this, fold another flap on this side like this, rotate the paper, do the same steps. Like this. Now we have this triangular structure over here. You need to fold it like this. Here. This is for next fold basically. So now you open this two flaps, and then you open this one layer from that, and then you fold it back. So this crease here is useful for folding like this, and then you fold these back inwards, and you need to fold these like this. And press it. So this is how it forms. Repeat the same step on the back side. Open the flaps, open the layer, along the crease, fold it down, fold these flaps inwards. This is how it looks. Now you have this one flap here and you have one flap here. So ignoring this, you just fold it downwards like this. And this flap, basically, you need to fold it like this. Observe it carefully. You need to fold it like this. take the reference, you can take the reference like this and then fold it so that it exactly folds till that half crease. This is how it looks. Open it back and then fold it on this side as well. You get an X formed over here. Now you need to fold like this. Actually, this is just for crease, and actually you have to fold like this. You have this X shape, right? You need to fold it like this and then fold it on one of the sides. This is how it looks, and then you fold it, this entire thing. This side you get the cone or the edge, and you fold this entire thing on the opposite side. Then this is how it looks. Now you fold it like this for the head on this side and also on this side. Press it tightly, and then as usual you open this and then fold it like this. This is how it looks. Now here you fold this peak like this till a proper place, approximately this much distance. You can adjust the distance according to your wish. This is basically for the mouth or the head of the dino, and then you open this and then you fold this inwards. So this is how it looks. The face of the dinosaur this is how it looks, the structure of the head basically. And now here we have this. So this you need to fold it. These are the front these are the top hands or the front hands, whatever you call it as. Slightly and gently press it and make a fold like this. This is how it looks. So this is how the dino structure forms. So you have these flap, one on this side, one on this side, and this is the tail. So this one flap you fold it down, leave some edge, leave some gap like this, and then fold it downwards. Press it properly, take the reference of the first one and fold the second one as well. This is how it looks. Now you fold this leg, one leg basically, backwards like this. Not the front side but the back side towards the tail, and also this leg. This is how it looks. And now we fold this back to the front. Similarly on this side. Press it properly, and these are the legs of the dinosaur. This is the model. And last final one touch is you open this and you need to fold this portions inwards. So let's keep it like this, and then this entire thing you need to fold it slightly inwards, not fully, slightly inwards, this side and on this side. This is how it looks, and then you go back and then fold it back. So this is the final Dino model. This is how it looks. Actually, this went too much inside, so let's do one thing. Let's open that back and then just fold small portion. Yeah, like this. And now you fold it back. Yeah, this looks slightly better. Yeah, so this is the final Dino model. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care, guys.